I don't want to kill him. Dude, just say wait in that voice. Wait. Oh god. Yes. I don't want to do it anymore. When you win. What's my blueskin? When you win. I eat a box of macaroni every day. I eat a box, so don't worry about it every day. They're in my garage. My Lamborghini. You know what I like more than my Lamborghini? Knowledge. What I like more than my new Lamborghini? Knowledge. Some applesauce. I have some applesauce every day. You know what I like more than knowledge? Applesauce. I have applesauce every day. What kind of applesauce do you get in a box?
What flavor of applesauce?
What?
What flavor of applesauce?
Listen, don't use me for my applesauce. I feel like playing Black Ops 3. Oh, don't. I'll drown you in my applesauce if we do. I know what I like more than my applesauce. Jello.
You said Jello.
I said Jello.
Say gelatin.
Gelatin. Jelly motherfucker. You know what I like more than my applesauce?
What?
That's nuts. Christmas cookies. Wait, you know what I like more than my applesauce?
What?
More applesauce. Applesauce. It's like drugs. You know what I like more than my Ferrari?
What?
Pickles. I eat a new pickle jar every day. A pickle jar? Screw the pickle, just eat the jar. Yeah, eat the whole thing. Okay. What do you think people always call me? Duckmaster. You should really get that checked. I don't need anything checked. My mom told me to not get large, round, circular things in my nose. You're dead. You're so Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Can I have my mutant gummy worm now? No. How many chicken nuggets do you have? Macaroni.
Hey Louis, say notice me senpai.
Love me, senpai. Love me. Oh my god, that sounded so freaking kawaii. Oh my god. Kawaii! Did your mom sister just walk in there and yell at you for doing that voice? Yeah.
What?
He said, yeah.
He didn't. He just told me to not do it anymore. And then she's
What you doing it? Are you gonna get yelled at?
What?
No, he's savage, so keep on doing.
What the fuck?
If your mom comes in there, say you're savage. Say you're not gonna stop.